On August 24, 2025, police were flagged down by Walmart Loss Prevention while conducting a foot patrol inside the store. Loss Prevention had been watching two individuals on security cameras at self-checkout, underringing merchandise worth over $50.
Hello. I'll step out and talk to you, Miss Lotto. I read in Miranda, so I was just walking around and they're like, hey, we have a retail theft or whatever. It's underringing. They both don't want to talk to me after reading Miranda, so just so you're aware, they're tallying it and stuff. So.
They're under 18? Are they juveniles?
No. Oh, so no five. Oh, we're good.
How do you guys know why I'm bringing you in here today?
No, because we put all our stuff back. The man came up there and
Okay. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take your receipt, and I'm going to go through it, okay?
Okay.
And then whatever's paid for, you guys keep. Whatever's not, we'll...
But we put a lot of stuff in.
We're gonna figure it out. Like I said, I got my body camera going. I'm just gonna read you guys your Miranda warning because right now you're detained.
we
I already
detained.
know how this works.
Yeah, for the suspicion of a retail theft going on. They've been watching you guys on the cameras for underringing. Okay. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in a court of law. You have the right to talk to a lawyer and have them present with you while you're being questioned. If you cannot afford to hire a lawyer, one will be appointed to represent you before any questioning if you wish. You can decide at any time to exercise these rights and not answer any questions or make any statements. So I'm going to ask each of you guys separately. So, Khalees, do you understand each of the rights I have read to you? Yes. Okay. Having these rights in mind, do you wish to talk to me about the situation? No. Okay. And then, Navir, do you understand each of these rights I've explained to you?
Yes.
Okay. Having these rights in mind, do you wish to talk to me now?
I got a lawyer.
You want a lawyer?
I got a lawyer.
Having these rights in mind, do you wish to talk to me about the situation? We can figure it out. It's either yes or no. It's a yes or no question.
Wait, do I want to talk to you?
Correct.
Oh, no.
No. Okay. All right.
Yeah.
Hey, is this your guys' first time both in an office like this?
Oh.
No?
That's
I
my
mean,
first
yeah, this is my first time ever in this office.
Because I'm
In this
from
office?
Florida.
Yeah.
At any Walmarts?
First of
Or...
all,
I didn't never get, you know, like, it's my first time ever in the office.
842 have 2 by file, please.
You ain't gonna see my face on that.
I scan Walmart.
I'm going to sort through it again at the end, make sure and verify what was paid for. Meaning it wasn't paid for, stay with us, and meaning it wasn't paid for, stay with you. That plain simple. So we go through it again to verify that. Okay?
Yeah, go ahead.
We get the bank notices too.
Ban notices.
Yeah.
Today or Friday.
Well, most of these things, like I said, we have multiple, like the same category of things that we scan multiple times. So I'm not gonna lie, like seasoning, the lemon juice, the lime juice. I mean, some of this stuff, like the Kool-Aid, like, you know, stuff like that. I'm not gonna lie, and nobody has to steal this. Like, we can pay for these things. Like, I just said that. I'm not gonna lie, like, it's not.
I got you.
And I'm a college student, so I'm not trying to have nothing down.
For sure. No, I totally understand. So Walmart is a victim. They are represented by the loss prevention here. So essentially, like with them calling me and they want to pursue charges. So.
Well, I'm confused on why we didn't press charges like we didn't still like outside.
Yeah, it's definitely gonna be under. But can we get a price, please?
Yeah. Like,
I'm sorry, I missed the last
part.
part.
A lot of things people steal hella shit every day. Excuse my language. But I'm just saying, saying? Like, it don't even.
Nah, tell them put the charges on me. I'm gonna go to court for you.
Okay, y'all can.
I'm gonna beat it. I don't
Okay,
care.
if I hold it. Go ahead, sir.
Yes, ma'am.
Go ahead.
Alright, so here's what's gonna happen with us. Alright, you guys are gonna be banned from Walmart for 2 years. So you guys cannot go into any Walmart anywhere in the country or no Sam's Club either. Alright? Alright, so if you guys acknowledge, go ahead. I'm just gonna have you sign right here. Huh? Yeah. Yeah, you can read it all, but basically what I just told you, that's what it is. And the date's on there when you can come back.
Can you pull me up the
It'll be
footage?
2 years from that date.
Please, in Navir. You got a second so I can make sure you understand this? Alright. So, it was definitely clear that items either were doubled up or completely missed scanning, okay? Which that fulfills retail theft, okay? With your receipt, with the amount, it's $51. You guys have been semi-compliant, okay, in this situation, so I elected to give you guys an ordinance violation.
I'm complaining with you.
Yeah.
You're doing your job. They
I get you.
being disrespectful.
I get you.
Don't get respect when you being
We'll just focus on me then, and we'll get you out of here. So I elected to give you guys an ordinance violation. This is not technically an arrest. It's not going to go on your record as long as you pay it and get it done and taken care of.
Can I
It's
pay you right now?
not me. It's basically like a expensive parking ticket.
Okay.
So it's all civil. If you don't pay it, it becomes criminal. Does that make sense? Okay.
How much is it?
It's $275. Okay, but it's not a charge. It's not a misdemeanor charge. Okay, because you guys have never been arrested for any type of larceny or theft before. Okay, so that's why I'm electing to do this. All right, this is cutting you a break. Okay, I understand you guys are both students. You don't need this on your record. You need to get a good job, get done with college, do those things. Okay, please use this as a learning experience to make sure that you were scanning all your items. Okay, but.
You was signing the paper, but on the screen, he even seen I scanned one item. It was just a different flavor, but it's the same price and the same category.
I mean, but there's different items, like the Polish sausage, you totally put right in. You didn't scan, right? Like there's other items, and you're aware of what she was doing.
Just on that item, like, I don't know what he just said. I don't just keep
You're good, no worries. So, but you also knew what she was doing, and per the statute, you allowed her to do those things as well because you knew what she was doing. So, like I said, these are what it is. If you want to try to fight the ticket, the court date is on September 24th at 1:30, and it's in 11 Uptown. But if you want to just pay it, get it done so, you can do it either online or in person at 11 Uptown Circle.
So if I
make
go to court and try to fight it, they gotta come to court too.
it could be possible. All of us getting subpoenaed for it. Okay. Make sure you pay it by this court date. Otherwise, they're going to expect you at court. And if you're not at court, they're going to issue a warrant for you. Then that becomes criminal, right? Don't let that happen, please, okay? So I have to snag pictures of you guys, and I got to put you in our band book and such. But do you have any questions about this before I give you your own copy? Police? No? Okay, all right. I still want to set up a bigger problem than what it is, right?
Both subjects were stopped by loss prevention after passing the final point of sale with over $51 in unpaid merchandise. Officer Castillo made contact in the loss prevention office, issued citations, read Miranda warnings, and banned both individuals from all Walmart and Sam's Club properties. Both were summoned to court and charged with retail theft under $150, underringing, criminal trespass to real property. All individuals are presumed innocent until proven guilty in a court of law. This video is presented for educational and documentary purposes only.